Hello, hello. Hope you hear me well. Hey, hey, hey. Hello. Okay, let's me send like few announcements and yeah. Saturday stream. Saturday stream. Так, and I also sent and I also will send. I have no idea where to send here. Just chat probably. Ah, no, never mind. Okay. Oh, hello, Eliko. Hello, Velocity. Hello, hello. 1 second, I need to. I hope you can see everything well. Yeah. Okay, so do you hear me? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So we're live. I hope you're doing well. So today we're gonna talk about trades that we took past week. We're gonna talk about like months in general. So we had like few good trades past months. This is like all our trades. I should have like add like few more. Forex, like we didn't do well. It's only, if I'm not mistaken, 2.5%. But on the stock market, I didn't update this sheet. It will be about like 10% so far, something like this. And crypto market, I have to update it too. We like over like 10%, which is like really really good. Like our like biggest loss like was 0.5%. It was on MDT, but something like this. Okay. Hello, Flo. Hello, Flo. So so first of all, we're gonna talk about crypto, about like BTC. Like a couple of weeks ago, I sent in general chat. No, it wasn't trading chat. I sent this screenshot. It was literally like 2 weeks ago. This setup calls AMD. So basically, when we have like period like of consolidation, then we have like some manipulation, and then we pump. So as you can see, if we open like Bitcoin right now on like 4 hours, this is like what we have. It was exactly as I predicted. So right now, this manipulation, this zone, we had this one exactly like we had on this chart, and now we have expansion. So like what I need from BTC in next like few days, I want BTC to hold like this level. I want to hold this level, like specifically above like 27k, like about like this, above this line. Hello Forex, hello Hannah. By the way, like guys, please hit like button and message something in chat. It will help a lot to grow the channel, because like algorithm on YouTube works like this. If you like hit like button during the stream, it will pump stream in the search. Thank you. So about like BTC, we have like manipulation right now. We took all the internal liquidity right here, and we went up to just this very value gap, and now we went higher and we're consolidating right here. We can consolidate for like 1-2 weeks, but keep in mind, like in October, Bitcoin very volatile, and this is like best months for BTC. If I'm not mistaken, I sent yeah. This is a screenshot. So it's as you can see in October, it was the best month compared to others. Like it was in March, 172%, but it was just at the beginning of 2013. If we're talking about like past like 3 years, look at like amount of gain. Usually that we had 2022. I don't want to consider because this month, like especially this year, it was like because of war and all the stuff. But in general, look at this. So we have usually around like 25-30% gain on BTC just in October. So I'm pretty sure after this like small pump in previous year, most likely we will see a pump on Bitcoin. And if we go like above like 28,300, this is like what I marked right here, this high. We might go down. If not, we will keep going higher till like at least 32,000. So to take this high from 31st May and fill this fair value gap on a weekly, monthly, and daily time frame. So this one. Let me show you. Like this fair value gap. So my target will be this zone. This is like where I will be looking for short position, and I don't know how fast this will happen. I have no idea how it will be, but Bitcoin can surprise. Okay, so keep it in mind. Next one, Ethereum. Honestly, Ethereum like looks a bit bearish. I pretty sure we will like feel this fair value gap on a daily. This one. It's like fair value gap on daily. So if you want to short, you can do it, but the risk reward ratio not that great. It's like 1-to-1, something like this. Also, as always, guys. On my streams, like every stream, every like Sunday stream, I have to show you this guy. So this is my dog. As you can see, he looks at BTC and he's happy. Yeah, so don't forget to hit like that. Oh, thank you, like 10 likes. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin like going up and down, like right. I think on Ethereum we will have correction, but crypto can surprise. And if we're talking about like stock market or like Forex market, commodities, yes, we might more likely we will have retest and then we're going high, but on the crypto it can go up. Okay. Yeah, dogga. Hello, Jamal. So by the way, like if you have any questions about like tickers that you wanna me to cover like during the stream, please let me know. We will do a quick check on the cryptocurrency. It's gonna be Bitcoin, Ethereum, few more trades that we are currently in. I also gonna show you one trade that we wanted to post in our Discord channel. By the way, a link for it in the description. But it was like Pavel was busy for like 10 minutes late. He did like something, and I just like want to show you like this trade. You will be surprised for sure. So yeah, Ethereum is pretty much the same. We have like plenty of liquidity, and my target will be like 2.2k. this is like where on this specifically this fair value gap, like huge fair value gap, like on a weekly, where I will be looking for short position. Also, we just like broke structure on daily. If you can consider this as a structure. Now, breaking structure will be like right here, but like on low time frame, especially here, this is like where structure broke. So I want to see us like little pull back to like fill this fair value gap, and this is like where I will be opening like long position on Ethereum. Let me also mark it. Okay, so yeah, XRP. One of my followers like asked me to do analysis on XRP. When you do like doing like TA, you always like start like from high time frame to like low, from high to low. So you can open on like even like on 3 months. Second. So on 3 months, like nothing happening. So we have plenty of liquidity here. Okay, you cannot see anything. I'm going on the monthly time frame. Same, we have this equal lows. This one. Have this equal lows. We tested this fair value gap. We tested this order block. Went down, and this is right now. If we go like on a weekly, on a daily, it will be our breaker, right? Where we're like standing right now. Then going on a weekly time frame, what we can see on the weekly, we have plenty of liquidity like a lower. We have this fair value gap, but if we break it, we will like. I don't think this will stop, because if we come to this zone, it will be like too deep into premium market, and probably we will go higher to take liquidity from here, especially if like XRP will yo, hello Lime, hello. So especially when XRP will do like IPO, like, and they will win this lawsuit, all this kind of stuff. We still have this huge weekly order block if you have to mark it on the chart, because it's important zone that you have to mark. It's still it's gonna be like in a premium if we bounce right here. Also, one more thing, if you don't understand what like order block, like fair value gap mean, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. So if you don't understand like what fair value gaps mean, like what order block, like mitigation block, and all this kind of stuff, just check out our channel. You will be able to find like our free course that like I spent like 100 of hours on this course. Again, like you can see, it's a simple, like it's not simple, like for me it's simple, but for you it's a bit like complicated, but not that hard that you won't understand a single word. But just by watching like these videos and like doing back tests like with my strategy, I can guarantee you will have like 70-80% like win rate for sure. If you just like follow like simple steps that I explained like in my last video, and follow like, and of course like risk management. This is like the most important like part of like any like trading. If you don't have proper risk management, you will lose like most of like your money, even with good strategy. Anyway, so let's come back to XRP. So what I can see here, is this like fair value gap on the daily. What I can also hear here, I see like plenty liquidity like down there. So what can happen? We can like dive to take all this liquidity, but it might happen later. Will it happen? I have no idea. I just like look at chart and see, like we have plenty of liquidity like lower, we have like some like order block, and I don't know, and we also have equal lows right here like on a daily time frame. I also have see these fair value gaps on the daily, because let's go on the daily and you will see. You see these fair value gaps. We have also this liquidity, you have this like weak, and this is gonna be like a magnet. And also XRP kind of like dirty to analyze, because if you just open, for example, Euro, you will see how great this like price action is. You can see like structure, right? You can see structure when price going like up by forming like swings, like high high, like high low, high high, like high low, like high high, etc, etc, and keep doing the same stuff, so you can understand like where is the price going. You can see break of market structure, all this kind of stuff. It's clean. But when you open XRP, you can't identify this, and it's like going up and down. The reason of it, because of like news, and you have to know when you like trade in an instrument, how volatile this instrument is, and how it reacts on news. Because as you can see here, like any rumors that like Ripple will pump, it's just insane pump. Same like happened like right here. So we pumped when it was, if I'm not mistaken, they didn't win lawsuit. It just like was decision in their like in their side, right? From judge, and it like pumped 100%, and then it retraced 100, and then it retraced, and I can bet like a lot of people bought here. We can just even like check like volume profile. You see, like most of the people that bought right here, and you see like plenty of volume like down here. If you also check in volume, have a lot of volume, so probably here we're consolidating before like next pump. And if Bitcoin will pump, which we just covered like lately, more likely we'll go like high, but where, I have no idea. Probably like to take liquidity from this high and some extra. So I want to see something like this and then pump. This is like only one thing that I see. You cannot identify like support resistance here, like if we're talking about like classic TA. What happened like on this pump, for example, right? On this pump, if I'm not mistaken, I always use magnets to be accurate. We took liquidity from this high. Maybe not. Let me see. 54.96, 54.94. Yeah, so we made equal highs right here. So we're just building liquidity to pump higher. If we will go lower, but because before going higher, we need to get some fuel. Where to get this fuel? This is fuel. This is fuel. All of this is fuel. Okay, so like trades that we have right now, it's trades on Pepe. Like I'm not worried about Pepe at all, because it's usually like goes like this. It can go like till zone where it's like start pumping to take all internal liquidity and then going higher. Ape, we still have this trade. We're building liquidity right now, because when price like going like this, so we will have like high after high after high, then yeah, so I will be worried and I close my trade. But right here we just like building liquidity and it's fine. I'm not worried that we open trade with like 12% stop, because if you like look at our trades on the crypto lately, all our trades, like look at like position size, it's like 10% max, because we're using like a large stop. For Tokyo session today, yeah, okay, we will be talking about Dixie and then we will talk about like forex market in general. So when we build liquidity like this, it means it maybe bounce going lower and then we break. So this happened, if I'm not mistaken, on AirB. Yeah. By the way, like this is a great project if you looking for long term. I highly recommend you to do so because there are around like 800,000 holders just like of this coin. This is like next like Solana like 2.0 if you want to. So it will go to like $5-10. So if you want to like long term it, like it's a great like project. If you want to, I mean like 6, like let's say like 1-2 years, like up to 5 years. If you okay to hold something like this, and it will multiply like 10 times, yeah, your investments, like buy it. If you're okay like holding like position and don't look at the chart a lot, because look at like daily. If you look on a daily, we came exactly in 0.8 zone. If you look at like videos that I've been talking about discount, like premium discount zone, like how to identify like where we're going, etc. I literally said we have to go to discount market, and this is a perfect discount market, and this is where we're going. We just broke a structure, and this is like where I expect price to go, and then we'll go higher. How high we can go, like I can expect like even like $2 just from here, and it will be like x2 from like level that we have right now. Okay, go back to like yeah. So Ape just like building liquidity, like our target is fair value gap. Like Sui, we just like open position, and we're still like holding it. Ape T, we consider to maybe close it. We'll see. Spell, it's going nicely up. It's always like in cryptocurrency, it's got like always like this. As you can see, we have huge pump, then we go in like back to like this like order block on a daily time frame, or like lower, like if you open like 1 hour candle, right? It's literally like going to this to the bottom of this, and then with all these liquidities that we built, we could like pump in. So we just tested this order block. We might fill this fair value gap, and then we pump. It's probably pumps somewhere here. Same frame and mode, and we're still in SRE because this is like we're consolidating. I want to show you like one trade with perfect example of what yeah, so this is like copy and 1 second. Yeah, so as you can see, this is LPT. We wanted to send this alert, but as you can just pilot just like DTA, and as you can see, just pumped within like a few hours. The thing is, like you see, like we consolidating for like a long period of time, and then we pump in, and the target will be the cycle highs. We can go even like till 9.1. I don't know like what the price is right now, but this is just perfect example how like crypto works right now. You just taking like large like stops to like major swings, and you just like holding for a long period of time. This is like what we did like for most of our trades on the cryptocurrency, because this is like how it works. You can just day trade and try to predict moves, but you can just like open like safe positions like we did, because we have like, as you can see, we have like higher win rate, and and this is like best tactics that we have right now. For cryptocurrency, like I prefer to do like two things. First thing, you just hold it, like long-term investment, like with ARB. We also have, like in our Discord channel, we have long-term section, so it's gonna be like for stock investments when we get like healthy market condition, and long-term crypto. This is like what I sent about like link. Really good project. Next one I'm gonna like send about like ARB. Okay, so next one, let's talk about like Dixie and like Forex market. So Dixie right now, which is a broker structure on like a major like time frames. It's like on 1 hour if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we just broke it. Like this is breaker market strategy because this is swing. Like let's identify where we go. So we're already in premium market. So right now, next movement should be, let's check what we have. On 15 minutes we don't have anything. Yeah, so target probably will be this fair value gap on like 4 hours. Let me see, on 3 hours maybe we have. Yeah, we also have it on 6 hours. So target will be this fair value gap, and probably this is like from where we will go lower, because this is what will happen in premium market. And as you can understand, we'll go lower. We think so. This is like a huge range, right? On a daily time frame. I also will show you like one insane range that we found, and it's like a bit terrifying. So Dixie will go lower. So what does it mean? It means that all pairs with like USD, such as like Euro, Australian dollar, British pound, they will go up, and they all came to like their zones, and more likely we'll see pump. Same like for indexes, like because like dollar will cost less, and it means like indexes like will be going higher. We can identify this like zone with volume because there is no volume. So, but at least we can identify equilibrium of this like range, and this is exactly in this order block on like daily time frame, this one, and also have this fair value gap. So more likely we will see Dixie right here. You can like screenshot it, and this is like where we come. Okay, like Euro. So I'm gonna check like Euro, then we're gonna check British pound, and we will be checking everything that you want me to check. So if you want to check me, let's say, I don't know, like yen and like Canadian dollar, like okay, I will check it, but it's not a big deal. So right now we're expecting like small pullback on the euro till this order block on like hourly time frame. Also we will be taking this internal liquidity, and this you can just open like deal trade, like just set like limit order, because 90% I'm 90% sure that we will come like right here and going higher. Your stop will be under this mountain block. I don't think we will like take a bit from this like weekly level, but if we take, we will see something like this. I don't think we will go like lower. So this is like two options for euro and USD. British pound, like again, like same, like two options. We have fair value gap like right here on like 4 hours. This is probably will be our target, and because we already broke the structure on low time frame, and I'm getting higher. First target will be this fair value gap on like 4 hours. It will be still in discount market, but I don't like to hold swings on like currencies. I prefer to play like intraday, maybe like 1-2 days. Next one, you want me to check Audi GPY. Audi GPY. Okay. Oof. Okay, let's start with like monthly time frame. Okay, we took important liquidity. I want to mark some zones. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably range. Probably in range, like global range. And we will go higher. Have 2 swings here and like 1 swing here. Okay. Next, go on the weekly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will go higher right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Also, look at this. Look at this level. Because like we don't have like much zones, so as you can see, we have a break of market structure right here. This is like our boss, right? This is our break of market structure. And this is like lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is like just some small manipulation. Higher high, higher low. So we still have like this price action on like weekly. We're still going up. So we're still going up, right? Going on daily. So it's uptrend on a weekly. So I wanna still see longs. I don't like this liquidity right here. I don't like it. Liquidity. I don't like, because all of this will can just like go down to take internal liquidity, but let me see. Yeah, we have like this small range right here on a daily time frame. To identify it, let's check profile. Yeah, this is a range, so we're inside the range. You can't open like any trades right now because you have deviation right here. So what you want to wait? You want to wait for like next deviation up here. Vasenti, I hope you like watching it, because I am doing it for you. So this is like how you trade range, right? You trading it from one deviation to another deviation. That's all. You can see my video about like ranges and how to trade in it, like on our YouTube channel. Also, we have a trading group. You can just join it. Link in the description. We also have like copy trading. Let me see. Let me see. Where is it? 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 Yeah. So we have a copy trading that we hold in with like Pavel, with DPS, right? And this is like our like profit within like past 7 days, so like 7%, as you can see. For copy trading, you can have even like $100. This is not important. Like more important is just percentage we have. How to follow it? You can find in our Discord server. It calls like copy trading. So all like instruction will be on our server. So let's get back to this analysis. So we're inside the range. So what you can do, if you want to play risky, but again, it's like just like my opinion. What I would wait, but you can play risky. You can just open like long position till this high. This will be 1 to 2 trade. It will gonna be like swing trade because it will slowly go up. You can wait for like pullback till this bells. Let's go like to like 4 hours. Yeah, so more likely we will feel this fair value gap just right here, and we'll keep going higher. Let's also identify discount in premium market. Yeah, all of it will be happening in discount market, right? We also have like uptrend even like on 4 hours. Yes, so dirty, Jesus Christ. Yeah, we still have this uptrend. We still have uptrend. So you can just open trade right here on this fair value gap. It's gonna be like swing trade, and put your stop like under this low. That's all. And you're gonna be like targeting this external liquidity outside the range. This is gonna be like your target. I will even like add this pair, and we'll check it in like a couple of weeks. But probably this is like what will happen. So like this. After it, I would look at some like reverse pattern. I also have like a video about like reverse patterns that you can identify on the chart, and it will show you how market will turn around. Okay, so I will wait for like some reverse pattern here, and we'll open short position after like reverse pattern, and my target will be at least 50% like equilibrium of this range. Okay, this is gonna be like my target. This is like 2 trades like for you right here, going like up to like deviation right here, and second trade will be after some reverse pattern. So it's gonna be like three top setup or 3 drive pattern, something like this. We will go down and we'll go lower, or we will have like what you call in classic technical analysis head and shoulders, right? So have one high, then we have like double highs that we take in liquidity from previous high, then we go lower, testing like order block here, and like keep going lower, something like this. This is probably what will happen. So like 2 options. right? Like something like this, or something like this. So this is like best example of like tree drive pattern. Okay, this is like the best example. High after high after high. That's all. This is like two options. So more likely this will happen, or we will have like just standard like double high, when price just like take liquidity from previous high, from this one, and we'll go lower. Okay, that's it for Forex. If you have any questions, please let me know. It will help me to identify. Okay. Then, let's talk about like indexes, right? So indexes. As I said, like Dixie probably will go higher, and we just like took major liquidity on Nasdaq futures, like, as you can see. This is like this fair value gap, plus we took liquidity from this low from like August, so it's previous like monthly low, which is like a bottom level. We broke structure on like 50 minutes, like 1 hour, so like right here we just broke it, and now like order flow like continues. More likely we will see something like this, so we'll fill in this like fair value gap. We also have this mitigation, like all this kind of stuff. Like you also can find it probably like breaking block, like if you look closely, but yeah, more likely we will feel this this fair value gap on like 1 hour, or like this like 4 hours fair value gap, because indexes fill in gaps, fair value gaps in general, all the time. They don't like to keep them open, so that's why I'm pretty sure we will go pretty high. Probably it will be all that high, because look at this. Just look at this. We already have like 1, 2, like 3, right? And it will be 4th. So that's why like we're expecting indexes to go like up higher till like next year. So I will be looking only for long positions like till, well, at least like this next month. Like SPY, like same picture as like Nasdaq. Expecting it to like go lower. To take like this liquidity, like from these lows, and we also have this fair value gap on like 15 minutes, right? This one. I want to mark it. This fair value gap on like 50 minutes, and more likely we'll go here. This is how it's gonna be. How it's gonna be like on S&P 500. This is like Dow. As you can see, this is what happened on Dow on Friday. Same picture as this like SPY, exactly the same. Like I think like they just like copy pasted it, just copy pasted it, because it looks the same, like to me at least. Okay, so now gold. We're gonna like check gold, and then we will check like some like shares, and you can just, I will show you like few setups that I will be like taking like this month. It's like for free. By the way, like don't forget, you can just join our Discord server, right? It's like completely free. We send you like signals for stock market, crypto market, like a Forex. Like it's just completely free. also have YouTube, like Twitter, or like our socials. We probably soon gonna like run like Telegram channel. It's gonna be like exactly the same as Discord. So, but if you like Telegram more, you can just join our Telegram group. So it's not a big deal. So for gold, this is what I and like basically our team noticed. If you just open like monthly time frame, we have a huge range. This is like Wyckoff, and we have like deviation like from the bottom, but we still didn't have deviation from the top. And right now, like monthly range. So just to you can understand how funny this is. So right now we're like in equilibrium of this range. How to identify it from high to this one? Yeah, so we're in equilibrium right now, and with it's a breaker block, order block, and fair value gap. We can go like higher to like feel till this low, till this level, 1885, and keep going down and to finish a cycle, and it will be this monthly gap, and then we will pump. How soon this will be? Probably like few years, like 1-2 years for sure. But gold will pump till 2.4k. This is like macro analysis, right? If we're talking about like daily, as I said, it's a breaker market structure here. This is not a range, as you can see, because we didn't have the we didn't go up higher, etc. We came into zone, and I will be looking for like reverse like pattern. Maybe we'll go like a bit deeper, like to 18, like 40. I'll just like even like set alert for it. Okay. So we're going like to like this to this level, and will bounce more likely, because as you can see, it's like normal reaction. We had a pump, we came to zone where we had like the most aggressive reaction, where we pumped exactly. We had also a huge volume here, and we keep going higher. So now let's check like some shares, and we'll end the stream because it's already getting late. Microsoft. Microsoft just broke structure. If you look, open the chart, it will slowly go to this level, slowly, but more likely it will even go higher. It will slowly go there. So if you're okay to hold position like 1-2 months, no, at least like 2 weeks till like 2 months, sure, like it will play out, because it's not so this paper not so volatile. It also has like plenty of liquidity, so all of this like liquidity will play out like well. So more likely we will see nice pump to at least 329.5 till this high. Yeah, this is like one play. Another play will be on Apple. We will test this already block on 1 hour. This is also going exactly with like analysis on Nasdaq, so we're going a bit lower on Nasdaq and then pump. First, my target will be this fair value gap, but it's in a discount market. We also have plenty of liquidity here. So like my final target will be this fair value gap on like 1 hour, but it also can be found like on 4 hours and daily. First target. Okay, so 1 to 6 trade. You can risk like, for example, $1,000 to receive like 6,000. Like, and Apple like goes by, so a few weeks and you will get your money, but you risk not that much. It's only 1.3% risk. Next trade is gonna be like on AMD. I hope we will come to like these zones, specific this fair value gap on like 1 hour. It's also on 4 hours in the daily as well, and then we pump. This is like trader will be looking for. It's like 3% risk, but there is like nothing that can stop AMD to go like higher, like literally nothing. Okay, and Salesforce just took liquidity exactly from level I marked, and target will be this gap. That's it. Like rest of like Google, Tesla, Nvidia, I just check everything. Like nothing to check about. Nothing. Just if you want me to cover something for you, you can just like write it in the chat or write it in Discord. Like in Discord we have specific channel, so you can find it here on my community. You can just answer. You can just like write like any questions you like here. Also, like we have this amazing like crypto forex stocks calls, which is completely free, by the way. Like you can also set alerts. We also have like insane fundamental analysis, like from our like main trader, who does like all fundamental analysis for us. Ivan, you can find information about him right here. Also, we have a copy trading. You can just start copy trading as we have like insane like profits this month. Specifically, let me see. Yeah, so this is like our profit in the past months, almost like 9.2%. When you find information how to join it, like you can find the copy trading section. Also, what I want to show you. On our channel, you can find like this playlist and our like free course, okay, with all information you need to start trading. Also, on how to follow our trades, you can also find like risk management, like this risk management part where I explain exactly how to calculate like risk properly, how to count position size, how to do some stuff. But I will be looking I will record like video how like only about like risk management, because most of you will have some problems with this. But in general, like all like videos here, I have like really good information, and as you can see, like it's like not like 1 hour or like 2 hours videos now. I try to explain it like shortly and like with examples. So by opening like, for example, how to trade range, right? How to trade it. You can also like at the end of the video, I'm showing like on real like live charts how to identify range, how to trade it, also show like few trades that I did, and explained everything. It's like what you have to like watch if you want like to try if you want to trade with a good win rate. Also like reversal patterns that I also been talking about, right? So like this on the Bitcoin. Imagine how good this trade could have been for you. And like my main strategy, exactly my main strategy is that like I'm using probably like 75-80% of the time. That's it. Like nothing special. and just like discipline, like risk management, and like some knowledge. This is like 70% of what I'm using on daily purpose. I know like some extra stuff that give me like really high win rate and help me to identify stuff, because if you don't have this like brick market structure and all this kind of stuff, then you will have like problems. This is like when you need like extra like knowledge, but in general, like this is like what you have to do. That's it. If you have like any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments or like in our Discord channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.